Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Come here, birdie. Come here, birdie. Come here, birdie. Look at you fly, got you right here. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Alishanmao here. Came out to fly, relax and fly. So that's what I'm gonna do for a little bit more relaxation. Before I head home, I'm gonna enjoy flying, relaxing with this. Now, where did I put it? Not here. I'm sure it's this side. And I hope that the lock, the heavy lock, hasn't killed it. Nah, it didn't. Okay, come on out. My favorite, current favorite, the Hanawan GoGo flapping wing bird. RC bird that actually flaps wings and flies like a real bird. Today is slightly windy, so not sure how it will go, but hey, let's test it and see how it goes. I have been flying my own hobby stuff, the M2 Explorer and T720 glider with my Radiomaster TX16S. Go check out those videos. Before going home, I'm bored, so I just want to sit and fly the little GoGo bird. Test. Yep, and you can see from the tail streamers there is some wind, so let's see how things go. Okay, it's unable to go forward, but now going, it climbs up, so I'll probably slow it down so it will go forward. All right, come on here, birdie. Okay, so wind is constantly pushing it back, and that's where, yeah, you see, that's a lot of wind for this bird. Let's see how does that affect on the flight. Okay, still going back, but flying really nice. Flapping wing faster, going higher, hovering at one place, which is really nice. Hey, it's handling these winds actually. Can you imagine that? Ah, this is the bird, you know, it wants to go to the trees. Oh, come back here. Don't go to the trees. Don't let me go and pick you up there. Oh, it sit on a tree. Hey, birdie. Did you find a house here? No. So, I found that pushing the elevator down is much more responsive. And you can see it's pretty windy for this little bird actually. However, this is still flying very well. About the same amount of winds, so I'll try to keep hovering it here. This is absolutely beautiful, man. So with the elevator down, it's fast flying. With the elevator up, it's slightly more, how to say, more going upwards. Faster, faster, slower. Now I'm learning to fly it even in these much winds, man. And look at that, how beautiful it's flying, really. You gotta give it to it. That is absolutely beautiful, man. I wish I had a real bird. I love birds, man. I love birds. I wish I had real birds. But until then, the RC bird is actually doing the job. How awesome it is. So, I'm not done yet. I can just fly it again. And just stay here Enjoy flying by one hand, watch it flap its wings, fly like a real bird. How sweet and how cute it is, man. Really, I can tell you, this is absolutely the cutest RC ever. Look at it hover. How amazing, huh? I simply love this thing, man. Now it's hovering here, right in front of me. This is by far the most relaxing things you will actually do in RC industry or your RC flying life. You know, after flying all that expensive RC, when you throw this little bird that looks like a cheap toy in the air and the way it flaps wings and flies, you are simply amazed by its flight performance. Look at that. Come here, birdie. Come here, birdie. Come here, birdie. Look at you fly. I got you right here. So I'm learning to control it and learning from its behavior how to make it fly slow and how to make it hover at one place if there are winds, how to go forward if there are winds. I just want to see it flap its wings and come towards me, just like this. Look at that, man. I mean, I'm just, you know, one hand control, as you can see. It's just one hand control. And absolutely hands-free most of the times. You just need to tell it when you want it to turn, when you want it to speed up, something like that. Now actually I'm using the tactics that we use in paragliding. That is, go left and right with the wind. Oh yes, hover right here. Yeah, I can see you here. Slow down. Hover it, hover. And that's a lot of flight time on this bird, really. That's lots of flight time. There are more birds there. I wonder if they will think if it is a real bird or not, and will they come to it or not. Man, this is the best thing ever happened. The best RC bird ever. Trust me. Trust me on this. That was attack mode. Now don't go higher, because if you go higher then you won't be able to go forward. Don't flap wings, just glide down. Now flap wing, flap, 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 flap. Yes, yes. See, I'm learning how to actually control it against the winds. Oh, look at you. I love the way it just flaps its wings and goes around, man. And I'm flying, really, I just mentioned it, but again, I'm flying it for so long and it's still flying. This is some kind of fun. You never can have enough of it. You just want to keep flying, you just want to keep charging batteries, keep flying. I actually plan to get 2 more. One for Arish, one for Hadi, and then we'll be able to fly 3 birds all together, and maybe we'll be able to attract more birds around us. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.